Check out this Ram 2019 ProMaster Cargo van. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, black cloth bucket seats, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, interior convenience group included, locking glove box shelf above roof trim under seat storage tray cargo net, sidewall paneling lower, wood floor, tires, LT225/75R16 EBSW all season, STD, speed control and sidewall paneling upper and lower included, sidewall paneling lower. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.